I want to
Body.
create table like this. Can you see here this image?
So you want to create something like cloud technologies, AWS, something same like this image.
Same like this table only.
Okay. So what were they doing is that you can see this cloud technology. Just try to remove everything. Okay, as of now, inside the table, remove everything.
Okay.
Just keep T head and T body. Okay, as of now, just keep T
T
head and T body.
1 minute. T head and T body. Okay.
Yeah, remove that.
And T body. Okay.
Remove everything inside the T body.
Yeah.
So if you come to the code, if you come to the image, can you show the image once again? Um, website,
Yes.
I'm saying.
Okay.
Can you show me the website, Pranit? Because yeah, now it is coming. So here you can see one thing, that is the cloud technologies and AWS. So this
Yeah.
is one row. Okay.
Yeah.
So this monitoring tools, Prometheus, Grafana, this is one row. Okay. So
Yes.
what you have to do, just come into the body tag. Okay,
Okay.
T body, create
T
a
body.
TR,
Okay.
a T body, create a tag called as TR.
TR. Okay.
Is it? Click enter. Write the values TD for cloud computing and AWS for another T.
Okay. TD for cloud
Write
computing.
cloud computing here. Cloud technologies there.
Okay. Here, cloud technologies. Okay. After that,
Similarly, write TD and write the AWS here. Okay.
okay. After that,
Again, now what you have to do, come out of the TR, come out of the TR. This
okay.
outside of the 76th line, create another row called as another TR and write the values inside that. Something like Prometheus, Grafana, similar to that. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So another TR
If you
need
give
to
something
be
like this, because you can see that cloud technologies and AWS is a single row. Okay.
yeah. 1 minute here. Here also need to write this in T.
Yeah, you have to write the TD. Yeah.
Okay. In this same way, I need to create.
Yeah, in the same way if you do, and if you come and see your page, then it will be changed.
Okay. So in that this same way, I need to create the rows in multiple
Yeah.
TRs. Is it?
Yes.
Okay. Where you told me, yeah. Here, what exactly need to be add here?
Okay. You have
Yeah,
to
here I
add
need to
an
add logo.
image. Just add an image. Just download that image, PNG image, and keep it there. Okay.
Okay, so I need to download the mail image and this call image.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes. Yes. Yes,
Okay,
Pranit.
and
Yeah.
one more thing.
Follow through.
Actually, this website. Hello.
Where? Hello. Yeah. 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 I can
Yeah,
see.
here. Can you see? Yeah, I want to decrease this. I need this. position. I don't want this
Pranit, I think you are having some network issue there. I don't know. I can't hear you.
okay, sir. Mm,
So your
see, is it fine, sir?
see, I'm not. I can't hear your
Oh,
voice. There is a
develop something.
okay. Rajeshwari, what is the doubt you're having? Yeah, sure. You can share your screen. Yeah, the website looks nice, Rajeshwari. It's very good. Okay, fine. Yeah, it's very good. It's very good. So, any doubts you are facing your code? Because it looks nice. Yeah.
No, sir, no doubt. I want to show.
Okay, fine. Then it's not an issue. It's very good. Okay, I'm congratulating everyone because like, everyone is doing your work very good. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So, Santosh, you are explaining that. Uh, Joel, can you explain this text align center, justify content center, align item center? An example. So you are asking to center a div, right, Santosh? Yes. Okay, sure. I will share my screen. Okay. Okay, then see. Let us try to have a look in this website. What we have uh, yesterday, right? We have created yesterday, right? This website. Okay. So here I'm just clicking about us. Here I'm having my about us page. This word in left to each other, right? So if I need to bring this one here, then I can just use something called as text align setter. Okay. If I come to my code and if I try to give it as something like uh, normally headers, not header, just head one. Okay, h1. I'll just rename this h1 as something as header. Okay, I'll just write as heading. Okay, so here now I will write something as dot heading, and once if I give something as text align center, I will get my text here. Okay, so are you getting it? Now if I need to keep my this one here, I need to include a field called as height. Okay, so I'll just give the height as something as 100 VH as of now. Okay, and if I try to uh, give something as if I try to give something as justify content center and align item center, you can see there is no changes here, right? Why? Because in order to center this one, we need to use something called as flex. Okay, so I'll just change this to display flex. but that too, let us see. You can see your website is center. Okay, are you guys getting it? What
Yes,
about
sir.
now, Santosh? We're getting it. Yes,
Can
Saurabh.
you repeat that again?
See, what I'm doing is that, see, when I try to bring the, see, let me just come from starting, okay? When I try to bring this one center here, that is in horizontally,
Okay.
I'll just use something called as text align, right? If I use text align center, my word will be here. But in order to bring my website, that is my tag, to center page, I have to use these three components. That is, first one is height. So I have to use four. That is, first I have to use something called as display flex. I will be making this particular word as something flex. Okay, I'll use this as flex first. What happened now? Now I'll try to use something called as justify content center.
Joel,
I don't
wait
want
a
to use
minute.
this textile
So,
center. Okay,
can you please
now I will
give
remove this. Okay,
a background color for this so that I can just see what is happening?
yeah, sure. Okay, one sec, one sec. So what I will do, see, I'll just give a background color, something as blue. Okay.
Yeah.
So now what I'm doing is that first, in order to just bring it in a horizontal way, we'll use something called as text align. Okay. But in order to make some centering that thing, wait, I have removed the background color. Wait, I'll add the background as blue. See, now you can see something like this. Okay. If I need to bring this text center, using text aligned won't bring me center. Okay. So without using text aligned center, we can use something as we have to display it as flex. We'll make it as flex. And we will be using something called as justify content center and align item center. Okay. So we have given this. But still now my text is something here. But in order to bring something vertically, I have asked you to use align items, but still we haven't give anything. If see here, you can consider this blue background, right? This background. Normally, it will consider this as its height, okay, and it will try to bring this about a space to the center of it. That is center of this blue tag. That is this complete blue, okay. But if I give something as a height for this blue tag, then this particular text will come center. That is, if I give the height of that particular, give just as 100 pixel as of now. Okay, I'm giving us 100 pixels, so you can see in this height is 100 pixels. The about us page is center. Okay. Similarly, if you need your text that is completely to your center to the page, you can use something called as sorry. You can use something called as 100 view height. Okay, this viewport height, which will state something like your page will occupy the website your page. Okay, the complete page, and it will bring the center of it. Okay.
Okay. So, one more point over here. So, can you show me the screen, output screen? Okay. So, before that, I add in a one line, right? So, the blue box is smaller.
Yeah.
So, I don't want to change the height, but I need to move that with the box down. Yeah, down.
So that actually what you have to do is that you have to keep this heading inside a div, and you have to give height to that div. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. If you have to do something like that, then you have to use something like that.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Fine. So any doubts, guys?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. If I'm using footer and address is mentioned inside it, then how to use it at the bottom corner of the page?
Same. You have to give a size to the. You have to give the height to that particular div which you are using above the footer, and so that the footer will be coming below. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So can we guys move to the next topic? Yeah, Rajeshwari. Any doubt?
Shall I share my screen?
So, what is the doubt, Rajeshwari? I hope. So, Jyoti, what I have to explain?
Sir, when I minimize my project, then it will not fully occupied in the header.
Okay. So, have you given the color to your image as a background thing? Can you come to the CSS code in that CSS? Okay. Okay, you are having something like this. Okay. Okay. So that issue will come since we didn't give any particular something called as width to fit content. Okay.
So, what should I do, sir?
Yeah, we have to give something as width as fit content. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So can you try to do this one?
Joy, hello.
Guys, can you hear me?
Yes,
Okay. So I was explaining that we have to give something called as width as fit content. So that will fit all the content which we need. Okay.
oh, sir.
Space between which we used yesterday between the F. Okay. So yeah, that I will explain about that. Don't worry. Okay. So Rajeshwari, just try to remove that 100% and just give us with us fit content. Yeah.
Joel, I'm also having some doubts.
Yeah. Sure. 1 second. Just click enter. Can you save this file? Come to the page. Let us check whether the problem is solved.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you,
Fine.
sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Bhuneshwari, you're asking me something.
Yes, Joel, in your web browser, you're using that login button, no? We can use that link to connect to the next page. But how do we need to connect that button to the next page? I haven't that doubt in that only.
In HTML, we can't use button directly to HTML. Okay. So what you have to do, you
Okay.
have to use something as just anchor tag outside the button. Okay. Share my.
Okay.
In order to in order to introduce some hyperlinks. So like many people have asked me about anchor tag, right? So you can think about you can see about this. Okay. So
Okay.
in my code in navbar, I'm using something called as button. Okay. So in order to introduce myself to next page, I will write something. I will just write a tag here, get the code. I'll just copy paste this one. I can put this and here I'll just create a new page, okay, a new file, css dot, sorry, contact us page, okay. HTML, and here I will just write the same thing. Maybe this is contact us page. I'll just copy paste this one. So I'll just copy paste this header as of now. And I'll try to use the same header for this also. And in this, I'll just copy this heading. I'll try to write the same heading part here as contact us page. Okay. So once we give something like that, I'll try to give it in the next page. Okay. So I'll write target blank. I'll try to write the target blank here also. Try to give it here also. Target blank. Okay. So I've given something like this. So when I go to this about us page and when I go to contact us page, you can see I'm having this. See, I didn't link the particular thing. Okay, that's it. We go to this contact page. I try to link. I try to use main.css. You can see now my contact us page having something like this. Okay. So wait, I'll just remove this one, this background. Just remove this one also. Okay. So now I'm having something like this, right? So similarly, if I need to add something to this anchor tag, same thing. I have to use something called as again an anchor inside this one. I'll use an anchor tag. I'll write as dot slash something as login.js, login.html. Okay. I will create a new page. Login.html. I'll write this one. And I will try to do the same. One second. Target blank. Yes, I'll try to use this one now. I'll give it here. I will give it here. I will give it here also. Okay. So once I've given something like this, you can see that I'll CSS. Now you can see when I click on this login. So I didn't refresh the page. One second. Sorry, I didn't give it inside the button. Okay, see what I have to do? I have just copied this completely. I will put this inside this button. Okay, so that now I will just copy this one. I will paste it here as well. Paste it here as well. Okay. Now, when I go here, you can see when I click, it will go to the next page. Are you getting it? So, any doubts? The people who have asked me, are you guys getting any doubts? Bhuneshwari?
Yes, Joel.
Is my doubt clear? Is your doubt clear? No.
Yes, yes. Thank you, Joel.
Thank you. So Firdaus, can you understand this one, right? What is